Keystone Custom Homes Devon Creek community is a smart growth master plan community centrally located between iconic bustling Lancaster city and bucolic rural Pennsylvania Dutch country Leola. You have the quiet, serene nature of a rural community, but you're minutes from major amenities and 3 major highways that run through Lancaster County that connect us to all the surrounding areas. In phase 2 of Devon Creek, we're going to be offering 7 of our Belmont townhomes. This is a very popular floor plan. It comes in 4 different elevations: the traditional, the vintage, the heritage, and the farmhouse elevation, which of course is very popular these days. The home itself is going to be 1,600 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom home, 2.5 baths, with the ability to make the first floor powder room into a full 3rd bath as well. You're going to walk into the foyer, which is going to pass through the family room with light passing through into an open kitchen. The kitchen is a classic kitchen featuring a farmhouse sink, large center island, 42-inch cabinets, just a beautiful, beautiful kitchen in this plan. The 2nd floor of the Belmont features 3 bedrooms. The owner's suite has a large walk-in closet, has a beautiful ensuite bath, tiled shower, double sinks in this particular case, and a large walk-in closet. The townhomes in Devon Creek are an affordable option for somebody who's really looking forward to the lifestyle amenities, the state-of-the-art clubhouse, the incredible swimming pool, the parks that are going into this community, and the very convenient location. It's an affordable option for somebody to get into a new home and get into a lifestyle community in a great area.